Well, if you've watched my previous videos, you will have seen in recent times many kangaroos. Why there are so many around at the moment? I guess the season. What has caused the season? Perhaps harp. Perhaps nature. But anyway, there's lots and lots of them around, and the worst thing when that happens is we start having roadside fatalities and damaged vehicles. This is what I filmed this morning. Fucking hell. Well, I just finished a video on how many kangaroos are getting killed. Well, some kangaroos getting killed on this stretch of road overnight, nearly each night. Just finished the video and Pauline had a look at it and she said there were some legs kicked out of its pouch, so we're heading back now to see if there is a joey. So see you when we get there and find out what happens. I should have checked the pouch before I left the body. Bye. So we're back here. Pauline's having a bit of a look. Oh, I can see it moving from here. Oh shit.
He's a baby.
What do you want me to help or what?
No, I'll lift him out and then I just got to wrap him up. Come on, little one. Come on, little one.
Got a good dog for tit?
No, it's not on the tit.
Jeez, it's just tiny, eh?
See?
It's tiny. There it is in the pouch and the dead mama.
Come on, little one.
That.
Come on. Very gently. Very gently.
Wow.
There we go.
Wow.
Yeah, he's...
Is he alright?
Yeah, he's just got a couple little marks.
Yeah. Just look at him. Look at the head here. And that almost looks to me like it's been shot. Doesn't it? The way that, unless something's been at the head tearing it apart. Right, let's go and find a home for it.
It's all right.
It's on their way to, we just move your hand, can't see him. On the way to the vets because that rescue place is no longer rescuing anymore, so see how we get on up here. Everyone makes a noise about rescue and no one's doing it anymore. Guess what I got here? There's a little baby down in there. You see him down there? It's a baby kangaroo.
Hello, little one.
Say g'day to the world. Poor little thing. It'll get bigger and then the roo shooters will be out and it'll end up as steak on somebody's plate. That's the way things go, eh? Unless someone adopts it.
Keep him warm.
This too. That's not Santa Claus, that's Kangaroo Claus. Look at the ears. It's a little bit cool by the look of it. Bit of a tremble every now and then.